Hello everyone. I am eagerly waiting for you seeing all. Before that, I am very happy to see you through this video. Okay, today we are going to learn about some interesting topic. We are going to learn about some interesting topic. It is very important for you to needed to knowing that. Okay, so before entering the class, I have some informations to tell about you. So that is, normally all human beings including animals having different parts in their body. We are having different parts in our body. So likewise we have two types of parts, that is external organs and also the internal organ. External organ and internal organ. The organs which we see normally with our eyes is called external organ. They are eyes, nose, mouth, hands, legs likewise. So the organs which are cannot able to see with our eyes normally, that is called as internal organs. Likewise heart, kidney, lungs. So after doing that surgeon or operation only we can able to see that our internal organs. Okay. So likewise like plants and like animals and humans, the plants also having a different types of body parts. The plants also having a different parts. Now in this lesson, let me to tell about that parts of a plant. Let's move on to the video. So today the lesson second name is parts of a plant for grade 3. Okay. So now there are many more parts the plants having. Each parts do their own work. Perfectly. Okay. Now we are going to learn about every single parts and its functions. Okay. Every single parts and its functions of a plant. Okay. The first part is, normally we are seeing the plant is where it is located. The plant is located on the ground or the land. Okay, not the plant will located inside our home or inside the cement or inside a wooden. So usually we are seeing the plant always located on the land, like soil or the ground surface only. Okay, so we are seeing the plant pots above the plant pots only. So the plant fit firmly on the soil because of with the help of root. Okay, so the plants having two main systems, that is root system and another one is shoot system. First one is root system, the another one is shoot system. Okay, so these two system only having many parts inside that we are seeing now. Okay, so first of all, root system. First of all, we are going to learn about that root system. In this root system, all plants not having a same type of roots. All plants in this world not having a same type of roots. Every plants and every different plants having a different types of root. Okay, so the first one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. First one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. Okay, so normally the plants like mango, banyan tree and neem tree, these all trees type of plants are having a taproot. Taproot is one single main root coming nearby the stems to the ground, and from the main root there is a small branches are going, and from the branches there is a small hair like structures, that is called root hair will be coming out. Okay, so these are the taproot. For examples, I will take this plant. Let you see this. Can you see the root? This is the taproot. This taproot is going inside the ground deeply, and one main root is there, and at the side by there is a small branches, and there is on that branches there is a small root hair also coming it. Okay, so this is the taproot. These portion, the root portion we are normally see under the ground. Okay, the root portion we are normally see under the ground. We cannot able to see the root portion normally the plant. Once we can't plug the plant only, we can able to see the root. And other than the plant, the root is always inside the ground only. Okay, so the above part of the plant is called the shoot system. The above part of the part of the plant which grow above the ground is called the shoot system. The part of the plant which grow above the ground is called the shoot system. Now we are learnt about the taproot. Next we are going to see the fibrous root. Next we are going to see the fibrous root. So let us students see here, these are the grass, these are the one of the type of grass. The all types of grass plant is having a fibrous root. The all types of grass plant is having a fibrous root. Like what are the plants that coming under the grass? They are rice, wheat, barley, bamboo. These are the plants that coming under the types of grass. Okay, these plants are having only the fibrous root. The fibrous root is a bushy root hairs will be coming out below the stem of the plant. It will coming normally to the ground, and it will be seem like a same length of the root hairs. Same length of the root is that coming out from the grass types. Okay, so these fibrous root not having a main root. These fibrous plant not having a main root. So the plant without the main taproot is called the fibrous root. The plant without the main root is called the fibrous root. Fibrous root is otherwise called the bunch of roots or bushes. Bunch of roots or bushes of roots. Okay. So these are the types of root. So after that we are going to learn about the functions of plants, functions of root. Okay, normally what the help will be the root will be done for the plant. So what are the advantages of the root? What are the uses of the root? The root helps the plant to fix on the ground firmly. The root helps the plant to fix on the ground firmly, and it supports the plant to stand straight above the ground. It supports the plant to stand straight above the ground. So these are the main uses of roots. And another one important uses is the root only absorb minerals and waters from the soil, and it will send it to the stems and other parts of the plant. The root absorbs minerals and waters from the soils, that means from the ground, and the food parts, the water it will transfer it to the stem and other parts of the plant. After that, the stem only transferred the minerals and water to the all branches and all flowers and all parts of the plant. Okay, so these are the main functions of root. And another one important functions, the root store the extra food inside the root also. The root also store the extra food under the root. For that extra food often we take as our food. We take as our food that in kind of the vegetables. For examples, carrot, radish, beetroot, potato. These are the roots that store the extra food under the ground. Okay. So the next ones. Now the functions is over. So after that let it be move on to the shoot systems. Afterwards we have to be move on to the shoot systems. Okay, the shoot system having many more pods on that, and these pods only very important to prepare their food, and it will give the food for us also. Okay, so here the shoot system are having the stem, the shoot system. These are the shoot system above the ground. Okay, the pods which grow above the ground is called the shoot system. The shoot system having a stem, branches, and in that branches these having a leaves and buds, flowers and fruits. Leaves, buds, flowers and and fruits and also the inflorescence. These all parts the stem only bears these all parts. Okay. Now we are going to learn about detail each and every parts. Okay. The first one, in the shoot system, the first part we will going to learn about the stem. The first part is stem. The stem only giving the water and minerals from the root to the all parts of the branches and leaves and flowers of the whole plant. Okay. The stem only given the this type of foods to the water and minerals to the all parts of the it supplies it to all parts of the plants. Okay. So the stems are many types. The stems are many types. Normally we are seeing different varieties of plants in the world exist. Okay. So these plants are having a different types of stems in it. These plants are having different types of stem in it. The first one is normally the trees. Okay. The stem are different types, 5 types they are: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay. The first one is trees. Okay. The trees is what are the plant, what are the trees? The big tree you can see normally in your surroundings. For example, neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree. So these are trees having a big trunk. These trees are having a big trunk and it will live in the world for long years. It will live in the world for long years. We used these type of trunk for making the furnitures. We used these type of trunks for making the furnitures. For examples, already I told mango, banyan tree, people tree. Okay. So these are the trees. The trees are having a taproot system only. Okay. So after that we will going to learn about shrubs. Shrubs are for examples rose, hibiscus. These plant having tomatoes. These plant are shrub categories. Okay. These plant are having the shrub categories. The another one is herbs. Herbs examples mint and coriander. Mint and coriander. Normally you are seeing inside your kitchens, your mom having it for you prepare the food. So these are the herbs. These are the coming under the types of category of herbs. So another one is climbers. Climbers is it climb. It having it want one support to climb and grow. Okay. So that is the climbers. For examples, cucumbers, grapevine, money plant and bitter gourd and snake gourd. These are the climbers. These climbers having one support to grow on that support. Okay, to grow and give a vegetables for us. So the another one is creepers. Creeper is always we are seeing on the ground surface. Creepers always we are seeing on the ground surface only because the creepers having the fruits and vegetables as a big size. For examples, watermelon and pumpkin. Watermelon and pumpkin is a very big size, no? So it can't able to handle these type of big size vegetables, so that it will always grow on the ground surface. So that only it is called a creepers. Okay. Now are you clear it? Okay. The next one is functions of stem. What is the functions of stem means? The stem only give the support to the plant to stand straight at the ground. And another function is the stem supply the water and minerals from the root unto the all parts of the plant and whole plant. Okay. And after that, flowers. Now we are going to learn about that flowers. Okay. Flowers are many types, and flowers is more attractive and beautiful and colorful part of every plant. Okay. Flowers is a more attractive and beautiful and colorful part of every plant. Okay. There are different kinds of flowers in our world. There are different kinds of flowers in our world. Okay. Each flower is having many shapes, and each flower are give out a different types of fragrant smell. That is a good smell. Okay. By using our flowers, we can also prepare a scent and perfumes items and any fragrance items. Okay, so and also we are using the flowers and to make colors also. From the flowers we have to make colors also. Okay, so for examples, the flowers also used for us as a food. The flowers also used for us as a food like broccoli, cauliflower. These broccoli, cauliflower are a flower only. That flower only we are often eat for as a food. Okay, and rose. Do you all like the rose very much? Yes, I am also like the rose very much because the rose is more attractive and beautiful and colorful flower. Okay. So rose, broccoli, cauliflower are some of the hibiscus or some of the examples of flowers, and already told from the flowers only we prepared a scent and perfumes items. For examples, jasmine, rose we are using for prepare scent items. Okay. So after that, fruits. How the fruits will form? From the flower only the fruits will form. The flower become to grow a fruits. The flower only become to grow a fruits. Before the flowers it is in the stage of buds. Before the flowers it is in the stage of buds. After some days only it will blooming to a big full flower. Okay, so from the flower only the fruit is coming out. From the flower only the fruit is coming out. Okay, for example, mango, apple, oranges, papaya, strawberry, these are the many kind of fruits normally we are taken for our food. Okay, so the mango having a single seed. The mango having a single seed. Apple having a few seed like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 seeds. But the papaya having a many more seeds, that is uncountable. The papaya having many more seeds in it. Okay, and then strawberry. Can you see that strawberry? Can you see the strawberry in your home? Okay. The strawberry having a seeds not inside. The strawberry having a seeds outer part of the fruit. The strawberry having a seeds outer part of the fruit. Not only the strawberry, likewise strawberry, the cashew nut also having the seeds outer part of the fruit. Okay, so strawberry and cashew nut having seeds on the outer part. Okay, so these are the examples and varieties of fruits. After that we are going to learn about the last part is seeds. Okay, from the fruits, inside the fruits only we will see the seeds. Okay, so the seeds often it will grow to a new plant. Okay, seeds are many types, that is now we are going to learn about only two types, that is edible and non-edible. Edible seeds and non-edible seeds. What is called edible seeds? Edible seeds means the seeds which we eat, which we use for as a food, that is called edible seeds. For examples, rice grains, wheat grains and nuts, these are the seeds we are eating for us food. Okay, so these are the edible seeds. Non-edible seeds means the seeds which we cannot able to eat. For example, apple seeds, orange seeds, lemon seeds. These seeds we are not able to eat. It is not suitable for eating. So that is the non-edible seeds. Okay, from the seeds only a new plant will be coming out. This process is called germination. This process is called germination. That is the seed germination. Okay, okay students. So now let us once we recall these all things. Okay, so today we are learnt about the parts of a plant. The plant having a different parts. They are root, stem, branches, leaves, fruits, buds and flowers. Okay, so here the root is two types, tap root and fibrous root. And then shoot system. Shoot system having stem, leaves, flowers, buds. Okay, so and then some flowers we are eating for us food like broccoli and cauliflower and fruits. Okay, from the flowers only fruits will be grow. For example, mango, apple, papaya, and the fruits having single seeds also and also the many more seeds. And last we learnt about the seeds, that is two types, edible seeds and non-edible seeds. The seeds which we eat is called edible seeds. The seeds which we cannot able to eat is called non-edible seeds. Okay students, let's we go through once again. Students, I have some D words for you. You just learn and do a right practice in your home. Okay. So, the first one is shoot. The first one is shoot. S-H-O-O-T. Shoot. These are the first D words. The second one is fibrous. That is a types of root. Okay. Fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous. Third one, bark. Bark is a big trunk of tree. That is a bark. B-A-R-K. B-A-R-K, bark. Fourth one, shrubs. Okay, these are the types of stems. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Okay. The fifth one, herbs. This is the another one types of stems. H-E-R-B-S. H-E-R-B-S. Next one, climbers. Okay, climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. The next one, creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Next, edible. Okay, edible means the seeds of food what we eat. Okay, E-D-I-B-L-E. E-D-I-B-L-E. Edible. Next one, stomata. Stomata is a tiny hole that is used for to take out and release out the air. Okay, the transpiration process and the photosynthesis process, the stomata is used for the plant. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. This is a stomato. Next one, the last, trunk. Trunk is the tree bark. The big tree stem is a trunk. T-R-U-N-K. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Okay students, let's do the practice and write it in your home and read it. Thank you.